I don't know about you, but if I employ an accountant, or I employ a mechanic, or I employ a plumber, I usually take on the understanding that those three people know what they are doing. The problem with IT, security, and our understanding of technology is because of the ease of use of these devices, everybody thinks they know exactly what to do when it comes to the technology. Most of us don't understand how one computer or one system talks to another. And if you don't understand that, you cannot actually, in all good reference, be a secure environment. Because if you don't understand how a computer can talk to another computer, can get data from another computer, can upload data to another system, then you are leaving yourself vulnerable to having that computer system compromised. And as I said before, if I go out and get an accountant, I expect his expertise to be a damn sight more than what mine is. The trouble is, when it comes to IT, that doesn't happen. Thank you.